Hello, welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a watercolour technique with some gold leaf over the top. We've got some gel colours here and some Rejuvenator Spirit. And I'm just going to create a really light wash, so not too much colour. So let's just start off with the yellow. So just dip my brush into the gel and you can just see that that's just creating a really nice watery liquid there. So on the top I'm just going to do very random brush strokes, just in kind of circular motion going out towards the edge. And then we're just going to kind of go all the way around the side of the cake, just literally brushing all the way around in your first colour. So that's the yellow done, 30 seconds there. On to the next colour. Dip it a tiny bit in the pink and just dilute that into the Rejuvenator Spirit. Go back over the top again, just in the spaces and the gaps. You can go over where you've left off, you can kind of have a mix of both the colours. So seeing the brush strokes is really nice, it kind of adds to the effect of the overall finished cake. There we go. So onto my third colour, a little bit of purple. And you can really see that's kind of, you're getting that washed out effect now with all the colours building up on top of each other. And then just the final one, so I've got a little bit of blue gel here. And just do the last kind of splashes of colour. All right, so that's all done. That's completely covered, didn't take long at all. So I'm just going to leave that to set just for a couple of hours and then come back and do the gold leaf. So that's all dried off. Now it's time to add the gold leaf. I've got a little bit of Rejuvenator Spirit because I'm going to dampen the cake where I'd like the gold leaf to sit on. I've just dampened the surface here. Tear a little bit of this gold leaf and just pick it up. So it's really delicate, and just gently lay that against the cake. But now I'm going to take my dry brush and just gently push it onto the surface. Top tip, if you've got a bit of damage to your cake, this is where you can cover it over with a bit of gold leaf and no one will know if you've got a little dent. I do like to add as well some tiny little flakes in between, so just any broken pieces you can just add. And there you have it, beautiful watercolour gold leaf cake. I hope you enjoyed that. For more videos, check out bakingmad.com.